How can I use all the power of ChatGPT? What should I do so that ChatGPT answers all my questions correctly?
Hey guys, welcome to Free From Camp channel. Well, before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Step 1. Download and install the ChatGPT application. Step 2. Open the ChatGPT app. Step 3. Now let's learn the best ways to use ChatGPT.
Method 1. Question plus put yourself in the position of something or someone.
For example, put yourself in the position of an expert in forming a startup groups and answer. Now you should ask your question. What startup should I launch to make easy money?
Method 2. Question plus I want you to think completely about it and answer.
For instance, how can I SEO my website? I want you to think completely about my question and answer. Now you can read it.
Method 3. Question or idea plus ask me questions about this topic.
For example, I wanna buy a motorcycle. Now ask me questions about this topic. When ChatGPT asks your questions, answer all of them and see what it says next. If you wanna learn how to use other AI tools, especially AI image generators, and if I have made a video about how to use this AI, I will place its link above. Then you can click the link above and enjoy.
Method 4. Question plus search the web to give me updated information.
For instance, I wanna buy a phone. I wanna know the prices and models, so search the web to give me updated information.
Method 5. Question plus improve and enhance this question.
Use this method when you have no information at all about the topic you wanna learn. For example, what is a device miner? Improve and enhance this question. Now read the improved questions and ask again if you wanna.
Method 6. Question plus explain this topic completely.
For example, what is the Bermuda Triangle? Explain this topic completely.
Method 7. Question plus give me an example and explain the question more simply.
For example, you wanna learn Pythagorean theorem. So you have to write, how is the Pythagorean theorem solved? Give me an example and explain the question more simply. Well, this part is over. If you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I won't take up your time again. Goodbye.